Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. Just going to change this camera so you don't have to see my face. All right. Here we have lesson 75, writing fractions and decimals as percents. Okay, pretty easy stuff. It's things we've talked about before. It really just gets easier. There's 2 or 3 ways to do this. Multiple sort of ways to go about it, but the easiest way to do it is when you're doing decimals into percents. Okay, you can just put it over 10 or over 100 or over 1,000 based on if it's the tens, the hundredths, or the thousands. Okay, which is why we actually call it that would be 8 thousandths or 8 hundredths right here, because if we were to turn it into a fraction, that's exactly what it would be, 8 hundredths. Okay. When we're turning it from a decimal into a fraction, okay, if it's already in tenths, then we're done. Like, you could do this step, but why? I guess you're turning into 30% instead of a decimal. But from here, right, it's already at 3/10, so that is just 0.3, right? 3/10, they're the same thing. 30%, remember, that's just over 100. So turning this into that, does make sense. They give you some easy ones there. Let's see if there's some harder ones. Okay, so write each fraction as a percent. So 7/25. Okay, here we want to turn it into, as a percent, 7/25. We need to get it so it's over 100. Okay, so 25 times 4 gets you to 100. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, and thus 28%. Now, if I was trying to turn this into a decimal, okay, I have 2 different strategies. One, I could do this and then turn that into 0.28. Boom, nice and easy. And in this case, that's particularly easy. The other option I could have is I could do 7 divided by 25, because that's what this is the same math, right? I drop a point here. 25 goes into 70 2 times, right? 50, 20 left over. Drop another 0. 25 goes into 7 8 times. 8 times 25 is 200. 0 might bring my decimal point up. Okay, 0.28. Same deal. Now that it's a decimal, I can turn it into 28% easy. Okay, so lots of different ways to go the same way. If it's very easy to take 25 and turn it into 100, that's super easy. Okay, do it. If you had, say, 7/26, 26 turning into 100 is going to be difficult. So that is not going to be an easy plan for us. However, doing this is going to be easier, right? We could do 26 goes into 7.0. It's going to be that 2. We're going to get 52. We're going to have 18 left over. We're going to have to drop that 0, okay? And then you'll go from there. We don't really need to figure this out, but you may have to drop more zeros, right? And maybe it doesn't go into 180 evenly. Maybe it does. But that is one option for answers that aren't going to be quite as easy as this one. However, your work today is pretty easy. None of these are going to really cause you to do any difficulty. So I think you're going to do just fine. So the written practice I want you to do is 1 through 29 odd. Make sure to do both A and B on 29. Okay? That's it, my dudes. Have a good one.